A balanced shape layout can make a product poster feel organized, professional, and easy to understand. Open Canva and create a new product poster using your preferred dimensions. Choose a simple background, then open the Elements panel and add a few geometric shapes in different sizes. Place larger shapes behind the product and smaller shapes around the headline or promotional details, making sure the visual weight is distributed across the canvas. Upload your product image and position it as the main focal point without making one side of the poster feel too heavy. Add a bold product title, a short description, pricing, and a clear call to action using clean typography. Keep the colors consistent and